Yo,
Yo,
what's
what's
up?
up?
So we are in Canggu today, finally back to Bali, right? And we are going to Tabanan, so Canggu is on the way to Tabanan, so why not? We're gonna grab some bintang, beach is open, and
Yeah, I spoke to the, what is it called, the pecalang, and then the parking guy that I asked, is the beach access is open nowadays and everything, because last time in the Fins Beach Club Rawa area is totally closed, but here in La Brisa area they said it's open, but still in the old man's area in Batu Bolong there still closed because the pecalang explained that that the car park, the parking that close by the temple just next to Old Man, there is a big what is it called, CCTV camera. So if in the CCTV they showing that there are many people going there, so it means that they have to close it.
Bali
Like,
life.
so yeah, but the area of La Brisa life is just normal. Let's see.
Do you remember here was the barbecue, Echo Beach Sunset something, but seems like it's not exist anymore. I mean, I don't know what's happened here, but it's abandoned. And well, this warung next door also not so busy. I don't know, it's not so busy in general in Canggu nowadays. Behind us, these bars, they are one open, but very quiet, yeah? Not so many people.
Yeah, like last time, I think when we were here, it was closed and now they open. And seems like not so many people are sitting there. So yeah, let's see how is it the beach now. It seems like the warung closed by La Brisa already allowed to open.
Seems
So yeah,
like.
let's
Let's
see
see.
how it is.
Alright, in general, Echo Beach area looks like this, just at the front of the La Brisa. And La Brisa also doesn't look like super busy in general. We're gonna grab some bintang somewhere here, I'm not sure where. Unfortunately, La Brisa beach access is closed, so we cannot go from La Brisa to the beach or from the beach to La Brisa, and going around is so far, so we need to get a bintang somewhere in the warungs over there. And in general, long time ago was here super busy at that time, sunset time, weekend, because it's weekend today. It's supposed to be hundreds of thousands of people, but seems like not anymore. In La Brisa there are few people I can see from outside, but not that busy or something. And it's not umbrellas also, no seats, no bean bags at the front, only in the warung. So yeah, that's how it looks like. At least there are some doggos here in Canggu. I just realized there's no doggos in Jakarta city. I don't know why. Maybe you can answer in the comment section why it's like that. Just curious. Thought the doggos in Indonesia are everywhere. Anyway, that's how it looks like, the situation. This is actually border between Canggu, Echo and Pererenan. However, not that busy anyway. That's how it looks like. And Sayang here, what are you looking for, honey?
Where are the crowds? I don't know.
I don't know. On my old videos, guys. If you're looking for crowds, check out my old videos. Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
By the way, the restaurant warung name is Salty Dog. It's not paid endorsement for them, however, suits to the today's topic. Salty Dog. Tell me the story about your friend, what she was just telling me a few minutes ago. That's actually funny.
Okay, so maybe that you still remember about my friends when we were sharing food in Denpasar. The two ladies, and then once they told me that they went to this area Canggu Pererenan, and just next to like this area, like this beach area and the warungs and everything, right? Normally like so many sunbeds and many people. So this area actually famous for those who are in Tinder date to meet ups. So that's why this area is famous also for the digital nomads who is on Tinder date to meet ups, maybe because of the cheap warungs and cheap drinks, and then easy to meet up. So yeah, and then my friends also, the two ladies, they really like to meet up their Tinder date here in this area.
As Winnie said, that's probably true. I played Tinder before Winnie, but we didn't meet by the Tinder. However, if you are thinking to meet lovely Indonesian, maybe I'm not sure if Balinese, but probably yeah, doesn't matter, all Indonesian girls or maybe foreigner and you are local, just play Tinder, come to Canggu and the rest live for, that's your job. I think you know what to do, right?
Damian used to play Tinder before, no?
I used to play. If you really wanna ask me more question, I can share that. But that was many years ago. Maybe something has changed. All is failed, not long term. It's short term, maybe, but long term, forget about that. In long term,
I just heard about that, like Tinder, like you know, you are in Tinder date. It means that you are like one night stand relationship.
That's easier
like
than
that.
the.
But I never play. I never.
I used to long time ago before Winnie, but for long-term relationship never works. So if you are looking for long-term relationship, better do it in traditional way, and for the other you can enjoy. This is like a playing games, you know.
But Damian and I met in Kuala Lumpur. It's not based on Tinder date.
Nothing online actually. We just met in person and see already how long we are together. So long.
Yeah, because I used to work in the one company. And then Damian also used to work in company, so we just met because of the business meeting. So this is how it is, not based on Tinder date.
That's how it is. All right, little bit from the daily Canggu life. Somebody asked us actually already wants to come to Canggu because somebody recording the surfers here. I don't see many surfers and surfer girls either. There are actually two surfers on the summer there. They were a few minutes ago and that's it. A long time ago, I mean like 2 months ago we make something about this people leaving Bali and going to their home countries, and I think it's happening really. Actually when I was in the Jakarta I didn't talk about that. There was some people flying from Bali to Jakarta and they was talking as they are going somewhere, I don't know where. So the thing is real, you know, the exodus is real, you know.
Yeah, and then normally like this area, I mean just like next to La Brisa, you know, normally like high. Many people are sitting, youngsters, digital nomads, but nowadays I think that the people who live here, I think like, you know, families, you know, maybe like expat who live here for a long time. But
Something like
I think for the youngsters already go home, and then I think time by time Canggu will be like quiet and more and quiet. So I talked before to the waiter, and then I asked how is the situation regarding to the Banjar regulation and everything, and she just told me that yeah, they just slowly, before they just open like sneaking, you know, like behind the pecalangs, without pecalang nose and everything, like all the warungs open sneaking. And but nowadays they just like, you know, they are allowed to open because obviously the big restaurants is open, like, you know, La Brisa. Alamak. Okay, so yeah, and then I asked her what time your warung opens and everything, and yeah, she said that all the warungs is next to La Brisa in Canggu Prerenan actually open starting from 11 or 12, because normally like surfers, normally at normal time, lots of surfers after surfing just came in the warung, you know, like eating for lunch. But at the weekdays, even she said, nobody even surfing. So people saying like lots of surfers in Canggu Prerenan, but we saw not much. Even you see, nobody's surfing here.
Nobody actually. Alright, so that's how it looks like. We're gonna have finish our radler, some French fry, Bali life, right?
Yeah, I think that's all our video today from Canggu Prerenan area. And yeah, this is how it is nowadays. Very quiet. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. We are on the way home, so yeah, it's beautiful sunset. Still rice paddies in Canggu area. Hopefully not change in the future, but some already brand new restaurant here. So yeah, it's time to go home.